Hi, this is Glenda, and today I'm making a soap inspired in Gem and the Holograms. In case you're not familiar with that show, it was a TV show that aired in the 80s, and it was about Jerica, who is the owner of a music company, and her dad has passed away, but she also has an alter ego who is Gem. Gem is a rock star, and the way she controls her alter ego is through a computer that her dad developed and gave it to her when he died. So this computer enables her to put on this different persona, different outfit, even different hair color, and it's activated with these earrings that are in the shape of a star, which is why I made a star as the embed for the soap. Initially, this was going to be the soap that I made for a YouTube collaboration that I did inspired on TV shows, but I didn't like how this one turned out as much. However, part of what that collaboration was to do a rim soap. And on this soap, I'm going to attempt to do two kinds of rims. One with soap pieces that I chopped from another soap, and another one using a divider that I made with a small box, which I'm going to show you briefly how I made it. It's basically a gift box that I cut open, and I basically only used the frame. I cut the bottom off, and then because it wasn't tall enough, I used some to make a taller wall, and I'm gonna use this as a divider pretty much. For mold, I'm using an individual cavity rectangular mold from Crafter's Choice, and I have placed the embed on the first one to see if it will be easier to have the embed in place or if I should add it later. And it turns out it was better for me to add it later, because otherwise it seems that I was going to cover it with the soap accidentally as I pour it. Here is the short clip of the beginning intro of each TV show, and down below I'm going to include a link to one of the episodes in case you're curious about this show if you never watched it. I added some holographic glitter on top to help with the hologram effect. However, I had to remove most of this later on because the bars developed a lot of soda ash,